Hey, dude. You got a Loki too?
Yeah, I do, dude.
Dude, I love the bolts on that, man. Like, dude, those look so cool.
Yeah, they're TK bolts.
Dude, they're not boring like mine. Mine are just. Do they make you a better paddler too?
Let's not get ahead of ourselves here.
All right, well, do you think you can boat with me and show me your moves?
Sure.
All right, dude. Go ahead, head up. I'll be right behind you.
Okay.
Hey, you gotta tell me where you got those bolts, man. Look, I just want to be as good as you, okay? And those bolts are gonna make all the difference.
Well, dude, if you really want them, they're from Eddyline Creations. They're called TK bolts.
Okay, dude, thank you. So can I actually have your bolts?
What?
Dude, I just want to be as good as you, man. You're my hero.
Get your own.